Card flip effect After Effects. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and searching for a trump card image, since you need a clean card photo for the effect. After the results load, open the one from 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 because it provides good quality card images that work well in After Effects. Once you are on the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝗀𝘀 page, select which card you want to use. For example, if you want to use a Joker card, click on that one. Then click on the image so you can view it directly. Inside the image page, click the arrow button beside the download option and choose JPG so you can save it quickly in a simple format. After the download finishes, open your Windows search bar and search for After Effects. When it shows up, click it to open After Effects. Once After Effects loads, right-click the project bar and select New Composition to start your project. Set your composition settings based on what you need, such as resolution and frame rate, then press OK to confirm. After that, right-click the project bar again and select Import. Choose File from the menu, then search for the trump card image you downloaded earlier. When you find it, import the image, then click and drag it into the timeline so it appears inside your composition. Adjust the size of the card based on your needs so it fits well in the frame. Now press G to activate the pen tool so you can create a mask. After that, select the preview bar and press the backtick key to make the preview full screen, which gives you more space to work. Use the pen tool to mask the card and remove the background cleanly. Once the mask is done, go to the timeline and turn on the 3D option for the card layer. Then press R on your keyboard to open the rotation settings. Select which direction you want the card to flip. For example, if you want to flip it on the Y direction, choose Y rotation. Turn on the keyframe for Y rotation and set the first keyframe to 180 so the card starts turned around. Move forward a few frames and set the second keyframe to 0 so the card flips forward. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to smooth the motion. Finally, open the graph editor and adjust the graph based on your liking or copy a preset curve to get the flip motion you want.